Good morning, family. Rich Smothers here from Billy Goat Tales. Welcome to Motivational Mindset. Well, you've heard it before. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Your income, your energy, your faith, your discipline, even the way you talk to yourself, it all tends to settle right around the average of your closest circle. So, if you're surrounded by complainers, doubters, excuse makers, or people who celebrate mediocrity, guess what? That becomes your ceiling. Today, I'm giving the exact 3-step process that I've used and that hundreds in our community have used to quietly yet respectfully and permanently upgrade your circle without drama, without burning bridges, and without feeling like a bad person. Step number 1, create distance without declaring war. You don't have to confront anyone or post a long story about cutting people off, nothing like that. You just get busy becoming the next version of yourself. Start waking up earlier. Start going to the gym. Start reading, building, praying, creating. When you're busy leveling up yourself, the old crowd naturally drifts because they can't keep up with your new rhythm. Energy is contagious. So is absence. Right? Use absence strategically. Step number 2. Become a magnet for the right people by becoming the right person first. The best way to find eagles is to grow your own wings. Start showing up as the kind of friend you want to have. Consistent, encouraging, faith-filled, ambitious, calm under pressure. When you raise your standard, the universe starts sending you matches. Gym at 5 a.m.? Well, you'll meet disciplined people there. Mastermind calls at the night? You'll meet builders there. Serving at events? You'll meet givers there. You don't find your people, you attract them by who you become. That is the whole mission of FYP. Find your people. Step number 3, look for these 3 non-negotiable traits when you meet someone new. I vet every relationship myself, business or personal, against these 3 filters. Number 1, peace. When you leave their presence, do you feel lighter or do you feel heavier? Peace is never loud. If drama follows them, keep walking. B, number 2, growth. Are they trying to get better or are they comfortable being average forever? Look for the person who's reading the book, taking the course, asking better questions. Hunger is attractive. And number 3, C, loyalty upward. How do they speak about people who are not in the room? If they gossip and betray others, they will eventually do it to you. A person of honor protects reputations, even of people they disagree with. Remember that. Here's the hard truth. Letting go of the wrong people is not betrayal. It's stewardship of your destiny. You wouldn't keep poison in your house just to be polite. Don't keep it in your circle either. And here's the beautiful part. When you make space, God, the universe, life, whatever you name it, always fills that space with someone better. Always. So today, take inventory. Write down your current 5. Ask yourself honestly, 5 years from now, if I become the average of these 5 people, am I proud of that person, of myself? My future version of myself? If the answer scares you, start the 3-step process today. Start it today. Because your future isn't just about what you do, it's about who you do it with. So do me a favor, drop Upgrade My Circle in the comments if you're ready to make the shift, and tag one person who belongs in your new 5. We're not here to stay average, guys. We're here to build a legacy forever. And there are empty seats at this legacy table. We need to fill them with the right people. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Rich Smothers out. Thanks for watching Billy Goat Tales. And remember to hit the like button and share it out.